Hello friends, in this video tutorial I am going to explain total quantity of building project and estimation from start to end. Here you will get the quantity of material, different material required to construct a whole building. Also you will get the total cost, whatever cost incurred or required to complete the project, or in other words we can say it's a valuation, or you can also call it as the project budget of your project. So whatever cost required to construct that project, building project. So here I have included these quantities. So PCC in foundation and footing, RCC for column up to 5 feet height, RCC for column footing, tie beams all round and inside, inner wall plastering, external wall plastering, quantity of RCC, roof of 1:2:4, that is additional quantity these are required. PCC in foundation, RCC column up to 5 feet height, RCC for column footing, tie beam all round and inside, quantity of brick wall, all walls are 9-inch thick, inside wall they are also 9-inch thick wall, inner wall plastering, external wall plastering, RCC roof slab, PCC flooring, total material requirement and steel requirement for beam, column and slab footing, same thing here. So I am taking the example. So here you need, this is a 4-step process. First step, read the drawing carefully so that you will get the given things, that is the dimensions, required dimensions for column, footing, wall, so that you will get the quantities of material. You can estimate the quantities of material, then material estimation, then you will get find the market rate for that materials, and then if you get the material quantities as well as the market rate, you will get the final estimation of your project. So here pieces in foundation and footing, here given dimensions, here in black color whatever I have written, these are the given dimensions as per the drawing. So it is necessary to read the drawing carefully. So whatever drawing I have referred, this drawing is having this much of dimension for pieces, this length, width, and this is a depth of pieces, and 9 numbers of PCC. Then here calculated material. Already I have circulated or uploaded one video where by using that video you know how to find out the quantities of this material, that is cement, sand, aggregate, whatever material required for that given process. So then next is the RCC for column up to 5 feet height, that is the given dimension 9-inch by 9-inch by 5 feet, that is, and 9 numbers are there, and these are the material requirement. So then RCC for column footing, given dimension for column footing is 3 feet by 0.75 inch, and 9 numbers are there, such column footings. So these are the material estimation. You refer that video also. I am sharing this link also here at the end. Then tie beam all round and inside, these are the given things, that is 22 feet by 3 inch by 9 inch by 9 inch into 3 numbers. Then 21 feet, that is length of beam, there is 3 numbers, 9 inch by 9 inch, then their quantity, the total quantity is this much, and the calculated material, then volume of 2 walls, and each wall thickness is 9 inch. So first it is necessary to read the drawing carefully and find out the actual dimensions. Here for beam the length will be 22 feet 3 inch, beam size will be 9 inch by 9 inch and 2, and here 21 feet 9 inch by 9 inch, that is a 425 cubic feet, volume of 2 walls, and each wall thickness is 9 inch. So calculated material in this fashion, you can calculate the number of bricks. Already I have uploaded one video where by using that video you can calculate the materials. So these are the material required. So here these are the given things, these are the material. Inner wall plastering, for inner wall plastering you need to calculate the plastering area. So here I have taken, this is in cubic feet, so in cubic feet, so calculate the material. Then quantity of RCC roof, same thing, these are the given thing as per drawing, and these are the calculated material. Then estimation for additional works. So here PCC in foundation 3 feet by 3 feet by 0.5 inch, that is 54, calculate the material. Same fashion RCC column of void, RCC column for column footing, then tie beam all round, these are the given things, and these are the calculated material. These are given things means these are things you will get from the drawing. Then again these are the given things from the drawing, and these are the material calculation. Here red things I have written, these are the calculated material. Then inner wall plastering. So inner wall plastering, so calculate the dimension as per the drawing, and then this is the calculated materials. Then external wall plastering, calculated material, these are the given things. So this whatever, wherever I have written given, these are the as per drawing. You should refer drawing always. Whenever you start the project, before starting the project, you will be having your drawings with you. So based on the drawing, you calculate the these dimensions, and based on the dimension calculate the quantities, and based on the quantity you calculate the material requirement. Then RCC roof slab, same things there. Then PCC in flooring, this is the flooring PCC. Then total material requirement, cement, sand, brick, aggregate. Then these are the small size aggregate. These are the 11 by 2 inch aggregate, 3 by 4 inch aggregate. So and these are the rate, whatever rate I have given here. These rates are very much older rates. I have just taken the example. For taking the example, I have considered these rates. So you can take normal market rate. This is the multiple sign. This is not X. This is the multiple sign. So this 2189 cubic feet sand multiplied by sand rate is 12 rupees per cubic feet. So this will be the cost. Then steel required for beam, that is the same thing, this much kg steel required into 30, that is 630033. Then cement, then there is cost we are adding, we have added these rates. So brick is 2.4, I have considered, you will get the brick nowadays at 8.5 or 8 rupees is the rate of brick, but here I have considered 2.4 rupees. So this is also older rate. 3 by 4 inch aggregate, 11 by 2 feet, 11 by 2 inch aggregate. So all these are the calculation. Then total cost of steel required 8 mm, 10 mm. Then masons require lump sum, you can take helper, you require for cutting, bending, you require. Then doors and windows lump sum, have a centering labor, then water tank, then plumbing work, whitewashing. You can calculate these accurately, but here I have considered lump sum amount, and this is the total project cost, that is 5,08,690 rupees. This is the real building project. So where this real building project, I have considered this thing for this building project. Whatever quantities I have calculated here, these are for the this type of building project. So from this project I have taken the quantities and explained you the real example how to calculate. If you are interested in my further videos, I am going to explain. I am taking one of the G+1 structure, and based on that I am explaining all these things. So before that, you try it, and if possible you calculate the or estimate the cost of your project. Thank you. If you like the video, please do share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.